Steel production is big business. Well, not always. Welcome to the PSI prototype of a miniature rolling mill. My name is Hagen and I'm a knowledge manager at PSImetals. Like the hundreds of single pieces this live-action prototype is made of, there are hundreds of thousands of data pieces stored inside a production management system. All this data is needed to achieve a seamless production process. In our prototype, we simulate the material flow during the process of rolling slabs to plates. It showcases the production steps of charging, rolling, and surface inspection of materials in a rolling mill. For reaching its desired form, the information on material characteristics such as its dimensions and quantity of rolling cycles is taken from the production management system. But what else can we do with the data? How can we harness this and other data to do more for us? The answer could be right here. With the digital driving factor Industry 4.0, new technologies such as big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence are emerging. How can you benefit from AI and machine learning and apply them to your existing production management in order to meet the challenges of the market? Here the new PSImetals Service Platform comes in. The Service Platform is PSI's new software foundation that incorporates all the requirements for a future-proof production management solution. So, let us have a closer look into the next production step of our steel mill prototype. While performing the quality inspection of the material, we will incorporate machine learning services to use historic data for real-time decisions. During the surface inspection, the color profile of the material piece is analyzed and loaded into the underlying system. The production management system itself, as the head of production, accumulates huge amounts of data from each production step. Data is like buried treasure, and in our example, the data in the system is used to rate the quality of a piece of material. Based on the color code of the material, the system, with the help of machine learning, knows what to do. When the material is yellow, it means it successfully passed the quality inspection and is processed till the end of the line. In case of a piece of material with red parts, a defect was discovered by the AI service and the material is removed sideways from the line. The new PSImetals Service Platform offers a modular architecture to flexibly incorporate those new machine learning services. To do this on the fly, without downtime, a strong communication solution in the background is needed, the PSI bus. The PSI bus unifies the interaction between available services and is used as a communication layer to join new services with the existing PSImetals software. By using the PSImetals Service Platform and PSI bus, an existing production management system easily becomes ready to use new features such as AI and machine learning. Join us on the road to the future of digitalization. We would be happy to tackle the challenges of today's and tomorrow's market together.